Most people think profit means whatever money is left after sales. But wait, does that really show how well your business is performing? Not exactly. You might be selling a lot, yet still struggling to save. So how do smart business owners actually measure real profit? They use one simple calculation that reveals whether their business is truly growing or just surviving. Stay with me till the end, because once you learn this method, you'll understand your business better than 90% of people out there. Before jumping into numbers, let's clear the concept. Every business earns revenue. That's total money from sales. But from that, you must pay expenses like rent, salary, packaging, marketing, and production costs. What's left after paying all of this is called net profit. The trick is not just knowing this number, but knowing how much profit you make from each dollar of sales. That's what the profit margin tells you. It's a clear way to see how efficiently your business converts sales into actual income. Imagine you sell handmade candles. You earned $10,000 in sales this month. Now, after buying materials, paying rent, and marketing your store, you're left with $2,000 as profit. Many people stop there and think, I made $2,000 profit, but you still don't know how efficient your business is unless you calculate your profit margin. Because two businesses making $2,000 profit can be very different. One might earn $10,000 in sales and another might earn $5,000. Which one is doing better? Let's find out next. Now, the profit margin formula is net profit divided by total revenue and multiply it with 100. In our candle example, that means $2,000 divided by $10,000 multiplied by 100 equals to 20%. That's your profit margin. It tells you that for every dollar you earn, you keep 20 cents as profit. The higher this percentage, the more efficiently your business is running. A low margin means your expenses are eating up your earnings. So this one number can completely change how you see your business's performance. Now that you know your profit margin, what should you do with it? Simple, track it every month. If it's dropping, your costs are rising too fast. If it's increasing, you're managing better. Compare your margin with competitors in your industry. Each business type has different averages. For example, online software businesses often have 40% margins, while restaurants may have only 10%. The goal isn't to chase huge sales, it's to earn smarter. So next time you check your revenue, don't stop there. Calculate your profit margin and see your real business strength. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos. Thank you for watching this video.